บายดีทุกๆคน
Welcome to Along the Sentences, your series dedicated to Lao Grammar. After exploring the indefinite tense and the present, we will now set our course towards the past. The past in Lao consists of two aspects, the simple past
กาลอดีต
and the completed past.
กาลอดีตสมบูรณ์
Today we will focus on the first aspect of the past, the simple past. To talk about actions or events that took place in the past, you simply need to place the term
ได้
before the verb. A time adverb or temporal indicator will further specify when in the past the action or event occurred. Here, the verb
ได้
functions as an auxiliary and means to be or to have. This gives us the following structure. Subject
ได้
verb with or without an object complement. For example,
ค่อยได้กินพิซซ่า
which means I ate a pizza.
ค่อยได้ไปประเทศเกาหลีใต้
which means I went to South Korea. And with a time adverb for more precision and context.
มื้อวานนี้ค่อยได้กินพิซซ่า
Yesterday I ate a pizza.
ปีกายนี้ค่อยได้ไปประเทศเกาหลีใต้
which means last year I went to South Korea. Some remarks about
ได้
as a verb means to obtain, to win, to have to. Placed at the end of a sentence, it means can, to be able to succeed.
ได้
is also used in many expressions. A lesson dedicated to
ได้
will be offered later. Now let's continue our navigation. To talk about past actions or events, you can also place the term
เคย
before the verb, which means to have experienced in an unspecified past. Also, to be used to have the habit of. This gives us the following structure. Subject
เคย
verb with or without an object complement. For example,
ค่อยเคยกินพิซซ่า
which means I have already eaten a pizza, having experienced it.
ค่อยเคยไปประเทศเกาหลีใต้
which means I have been to South Korea. And with a time adverb for more precision and context,
ในอดีตค่อยเคยกินพิซซ่า
in the past, I have eaten a pizza.
หลายปีที่ผ่านมาค่อยเคยไปประเทศเกาหลีใต้
Many years ago, I went to South Korea. Another way to talk about past actions or events is by placing the term
แล้ว
at the end of the sentence. This gives us the following structure. Subject, verb, with or without an object complement, and
แล้ว
for example,
ค่อยกินพิซซ่าแล้ว
which means I have already eaten a pizza.
ค่อยไปประเทศเกาหลีใต้แล้ว
which means I have already been to South Korea. Reminder, as we saw in the lesson on the present of recent action,
แล้ว
as a verb means to finish, to complete. As an adverb, it translates to already. As a conjunction, it means then, afterward. Now let's move on to sentence examples.
ประโยคบอกเราค่อยได้เช่ารถจักร
I rented a motorbike.
ค่อยได้เช่ารถจักรลาวได้เห็นสร้างเผือก
He saw white elephants.
ลาวได้เห็นสร้างเผือกลาวเคยไปนิวยอร์ก
She has been to New York.
ลาวเคยไปนิวยอร์กค่อยเคยกินน้ำเต้าหู้
I've had soy milk before.
ข้อยเคยกินน้ำเต้าหู้พวกข้อยซื้อของฝากแล้ว
We have already bought the souvenirs.
พวกข้อยซื้อของฝากแล้ว พวกเขาเจ้าเมื่อบ้านแล้ว
They have already gone home.
พวกเขาเจ้าเมื่อบ้านแล้วบทฝึกหัด
Complete the following sentences. I visited my relatives.
ข้อยได้ไปยามพี่น้อง
She visited Indonesia.
ลาวได้ไปเที่ยวประเทศอินโดนีเซีย
My parents owned a restaurant.
พ่อแม่ข้อยเคยมีห้านอาหาร
They had their own business.
พวกเพิ่นเคยมีธุรกิจส่วนตัว
My big brother has finished his studies.
อ้ายข้อยเรียนจบแล้ว
My big sister is already married.
เอื้อยข้อยแต่งงานแล้ว
A big thank you for traveling with us through the Lao language today. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming journeys along Lao sentences. See you very soon.